Namaskar and welcome to Republic Haryana. I am Bhaskar Mukherjee with latest news headlines. As the Deputy Chief Minister of Haryana, Dushyant Chautala, announced wheat and mustard purchase from April 1 and also decided to visit grain market of Hisar, Chautala has to face a massive farmer protest in Hisar today. Heavy police force and paramilitary forces have been deployed in front of the Hisar airport and on National Highway 9 and grain market to maintain law and order condition. Farmers also blocked the National Highway 9 for several hours demanding repeal of the 3 farm laws.
प्रोटेस्ट करना उसका अधिकार है, व्यवस्था बिगाड़ेगा किसके साथ।
तो अभी क्या मतलब जो चल रहा है वो किसान है या नहीं? एक लाइन क्योंकि वहाँ पे
मैं
बहुत
किसान के लिए मंडी सारी खुलवाई है नहीं खुलवाई,
बिल्कुल
तो जो मंडी में आएगा वो भी किसान है।
कर दो किसानों का समर्थन जी।
ठीक है, और बता दो
आप किसान हो जी, कर दो जी समर्थन है।
किसान विरोध कर रहे हैं, क्या मानते हैं सर? सर किसान जो विरोध कर रहे हैं क्या मानते हैं?
त्याग पत्र मांग रहे हैं सर, क्या कहेंगे?
आज हमारा प्रोग्राम था दूषित प्रोग्राम महारानी दूषित चौटाला का था। हिसार के अंदर हिसार के किसानों के मुंह में को आंगली फेर के देखा था। 5 प्रोग्राम रख दिए शहर में। अचानक किसानों को रातों रात पता लग गया। तमाम किसान और मजदूर सरदारी सुबह 8 बजे यहाँ पर एयरपोर्ट को रोक लिया। अब भीतर दुब क्या बैठा है। दुष्यंत चौटाला का शहर में प्रोग्राम नहीं होने देंगे। कितनी बड़ी कुर्बानी देनी पड़ेगी।
Haryana saw an increase of coronavirus infection last week from March 22 to March 28 as compared to the week before. The last time a near similar number of weekly infection were reported during a surge was in mid-August when 7,233 cases were reported during August 17 to August 23. According to the COVID-19 media bulletin on Wednesday, Gurugram witnessed 276 cases, Faridabad with 70, Sonipat with 6, Hisar 18, Ambala 105, Karnal 182, Panipat 12, Rohtak 11, Rewari 4, Panchkula 93, Kurukshetra 81, Yamunanagar 93, Sirsa 22, Mahendragarh 1, Bhiwani 10, Jhajjar 9, Palwal 0, Fatehbad 1, Kaithal 12, Jeend 98, Nuh 1, Charkhi Dadri 1. A total 1,106 COVID patients were identified last week, according to the media bulletin of Wednesday. There were about 9,726 active cases across Haryana till Wednesday. The family members of a 23-year-old youth jammed road in Karnal's Kalandri area after keeping his dead body on the ground. The deceased Saroj Kumar was brutally attacked by armed men on the evening of Holi festival. The police reached the spot and started investigation into the matter and assured the family members that the accused will be behind bars soon. A shopkeeper was attacked with bricks and stones which the accused pelted on him after he stopped few youths from using filthy and abusive language near Mata Mansa Devi temple in Panchkula. Police was alerted and the police started further investigation into the matter.
मैं सामने मुकदमा दर्ज किया है 148-49-323 का। ये पहले भी इनकी आपसी कोई रंजिश थी। पहले वो गाली गलौज करके गए, फिर बाद में जब इन्होंने इसका विरोध किया 3-4 लड़के मोटरसाइकिल पे आके इनको मार पिटाई कर गए। मोटरसाइकिल हमने बरामद कर लिया और शाम तक वो लड़के भी मतलब अरेस्ट कर लेंगे।
A 65-year-old farmer drowned in a pond of village Skonda of district Karnal. The police took custody of the dead body and sent for autopsy at the local general hospital. The family members of deceased Ajit Singh told that he had came to the village for old age pension documentation. They also told that he reached near the pond to wash his face and got slipped. A man of Ronath village committed suicide by hanging himself and blamed his wife, mother-in-law, father-in-law and his 2 brother-in-laws behind his death. However, the police registered a case and started investigation into the matter. In a suicide note recovered from his possession, he alleged that old spat led to take this extreme step.
जिले की रोनात गांव में एक सुरेंद्र नाम के लड़के ने फांसी आत्महत्या कर ली है। दूसरी सूचना पर हम मौके पहुंचे थे और सुरेंद्र के पिताजी सतबीर के बयान पर उसकी पत्नी, उसके 2 साले, सास ससुर के खिलाफ आत्महत्या मजबूर करने का मुकदमा दर्ज किया है, जिसकी तफ्तीश जारी है। अभी तो उनका आपस में कोई डिस्प्यूट तो सामने नहीं आया है, फिर भी हमें जांच कर रहे थे और नाश को कोर्ट के हवाले कर दिया हमारे सामने।
Following a continuous delay in payments, sugarcane growers and farm activists under the banner of Bharatiya Kisan Union held a panchayat outside Narayangarh sugar mill on Thursday and threatened to launch a stir if their dues of Rs 35 crore were not cleared by April 20. Baldev Singh of Bharatiya Kisan Union, Mandal President of Bharatiya Kisan Union, Baldev Singh said, as per the norms, the payment has to be cleared within 14 days. Farmers who have been protesting at Delhi borders for the past 4 months burned copies of the farm laws as part of Holika Dahan. They termed the laws anti-farmer and anti-people and said they would not step back until the centre repealed these 3 farm laws. A 31-year-old Punjabi singer Diljan died in a road accident at Jandiala Guru. Diljan was a runner-up in TV reality show Surukshetra in 2012. He also participated in Awaaz Punjab Di and released several songs over the past few years. SHO of Jandiala Guru, Yadvinder Singh, told Diljan was driving the car from Kartarpur in Jalandhar to Amritsar to record a song when the accident occurred. He had recently returned from Canada. The car collided with an unidentified parked vehicle on the roadside. The police were trying to gather CCTV footage of the area to identify the vehicle. The protest against making of crematorium in Wazirabad area of Gurugram district on Thursday entered in 76th consecutive day. Residents of Wazirabad are protesting against crematorium and said the administration is adamant to make crematorium at a dense populated area. The Kisan Ekta Morcha President Gurnam Singh Chaduni on Thursday announced Sansad Kuch in the month of May. However, Chaduni did not announce any date so far. Several thousand farmers are protesting against 3 farm laws at various bordering area of National Capital Region.